Day 2, Matsumoto Station. Just trying to organise sending our luggage on to our next stop. 2 days from here. If we drop it off tomorrow, which would be too late for us. So we do it through our motel. I think it's about $21 a bag. Now we're going to book some more trains. And yeah, weather's a lot better today. It's still overcast, but it's not raining at least. Well, no joy on the luggage. And no joy on booking train tickets at the moment, just running out of time. Luggage was a bit expensive from here, and as I mentioned earlier, 2 days. We're up on platform 12 upstairs, a Shinkansen bullet train. It's capable of about 320 k's an hour or something. I think it's the Tokyo line, so it should be pretty busy. Car 10 set 15E. If it's anything like the other Shinkansens, the seat configurations are 2 seats on the right hand side and 3 seats on the left hand side, so I've either got aisle or window. Welcome to Kurobe. Not Kobe. Not talking about the beef. A bit of a walk and catching another train, a scenic train ride. Not going to try and pronounce the name of the gorge we're going up. I'll show some video of it when we get there, eh? That's where we're going. On this track here, we're over in Kurobe. That's the Shinkansen line that we've just come off. I'm going to jump on this track. I must go up to here. Oh lordy. This is a little bit quaint on this little train. There's about 2 carriages. Not too many people on again. Gets into this one and we jump on another train after we buy some tickets. Kurobe Gorge Railway. It's a little train over there. It's a little one. There's some open air ones and some enclosed ones. Looks like the open air ones are pretty popular. Not for this little black kiwi. Look at all these people rugged up. Yep. Car number 10. We've made this one. And you'll see the clock up here, it's about 10:48. There's a few people on these, not many. 10 is us now. Nobody in it. We've got the whole cart to ourselves at the moment. Okay, arigato. We've got the whole carriage car to ourselves. Check it out. Look at that. Boss reckons the right hand side's the best side to get the view, so we'll see how we go, eh? It's a 50-minute trip, I think. Still a bit of unfrozen snow down there. It's covered all by timber. I've been seeing like up where the rock falls are, unmelted ice. It's hydro over there. I've seen a few of these outlets. The dialogue that you hear on the background there is all Japanese, and there's not been any English at all. Probably a little bit surprised. We've got a return ticket, and we thought we'd probably get off and have a look around at various stations. There's been 2 stops before here, but our ticket is a return, no stopping, so we're on our way back. There's thermal stuff around here as well. This little Kurobe Gorge train thing is in. We noticed on the train that there's a bunch of people over here. There's a bit of steam coming off the water, so you go and have a look. It looks like somewhere where you can soak your feet. Very pleasant. Well, when we left this morning to catch this rickety old train, it was drizzling a bit. It's a bit of blue sky now. It hasn't fixed the rickety old train though, it's still wobbly. Out into the back streets again. What are we doing here this time? No, we're not going to go there. Samurai Museum. We were going to go to the ninja one, but by the time we got there it would have only been open 20 minutes. So I don't think we could have done it any justice. Haven't shown you too much video now, got a bunch of stills, but a lot of these maps between Kanazawa and Edo, which was the capital of Japan back in the day, now Tokyo. Different styles of route maps. This one shows mountain ranges and rivers, and I think they also show inns where they could stay as well. Quite a formality back in the day. Back outside, 310 yen each to get in, $3.10. It's all about one samurai family. It is. And there's a little bit of English in there, but a lot of Japanese as well. Some interesting stuff. Yeah, worth a visit. Have a look around. Expecting a lot more samurai weapons and suits and stuff. 2 suits in there. Got some stills. Drop them in somewhere. Didn't see any swords. Yeah. I think during the Edo period, it was the samurai were more political than warrior, from what I gather from the reading in there. Do go to that museum, have a walk around the little district here. It's quite pretty. They've got some well-preserved samurai houses here as well, and a tourist route that you can follow. It's about a kilometre long. Well, some more samurai artifacts in there. 550 yen each to go in there. We decided to give that a miss. I don't know if that's a good decision or not, but anyhow, we have. It says it's the site of a samurai house. It doesn't say it is a samurai house. Probably piqued my interest a bit more if it actually was a preserved samurai house that you could go into and have a look. Oh, I came in, had a look. Takada family. Talking about a feudal period row house. Restored. I'm guessing that's it in front of us here. We're pretty close to the Kanazawa castle too. Just down the outside of it. Be around here somewhere. Yeah, some more of that timber. Check it out. Well, this little place isn't actually too far from where we're staying. Yeah, it's where we saw that timber fretwork and stuff. It's a shrine, and it's probably, I reckon, probably 300 metres away from where we're staying. Opposite direction from the markets, so I'm facing towards where the train station would be, and between us and the train station is the hotel first, then the markets on the other side. The Kanazawa castle's up that way. Anecdote. See the moss here? It's probably just about every time we've come across it, well, I've come across an aroma which is different. So I've given it the nickname Honky Moss. Gonna get some sun in your eyes soon, but just check this out. Stained glass up there. That's pretty cool, eh?